A quick overview of my very small perfume collection in less than 60 seconds. Look at that bottle, y'all. It is so gorgeous. I love my Tiziana Terenzi and Kilian collection. This is like my designer section, kind of like my Sephora section. Come on, Clive Christian. Look at these House of Oud eggs. They're like so gorgeous. My Kayali fragrances, House of Sillage cupcakes. My Kilian collection. I love Kilian, y'all. My Parfums de Marly collection. Of course, I'm obsessed with Bond number 9. I see you, Amorous. So here we have it.